Hey language learners! Today we are going to dive into English grammar. Preposition. Well, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word used to show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. It often indicates direction, location, time, or a method. For example, in the book is on the table, on is the preposition showing the relationship between the book and the table. Prepositions are quite important. Without them, sentences would be jumbled and confusing, lacking direction, time, or place references. The three most confusing prepositions are in, on, at. In has various uses. In is used to describe being inside or within something. Examples for in as inside something. Cat is in the box. She found a note in the envelope. The book is in the drawer. He's swimming in the pool. Cookies are in the jar. Examples for in as within something. The vegetables are in the limits of my budget. Her house is in walking distance from the park. The answer is in the first few pages of the book. The restaurant is in the boundaries of the city. He stayed in the rules of the game. In also can refer to a period or part of a day, month, or year. Examples for in as a period or part of the day. I usually exercise in the morning. She likes to read in the evening. We often go for walks in the afternoon. He prefers to study in the late hours of the night. Kids play outside in the afternoon sun. We also use it for months like in December, in April, in July. And for mentioning years we say in 2020, in 2018, in 1995. In can also indicate being in a specific state or condition. Here are 10 examples of using the preposition in to indicate a specific condition or state. She is in a good mood today. Team is in first place in the tournament. He was in shock after hearing the news. Patient is in stable condition. Project is in its final stages. She found herself in a difficult situation. He's in great shape after all that training. Car is in perfect working order. They are in a relationship. The house is in disrepair and needs renovation. We use in to show involvement in activities. For example, he is in a training session. They are in a discussion about the project. She is in the choir at her church. We are in a yoga class together. He's in a book club that meets monthly. She is in the school play this year. In for clothing. In clothes? That's right. We wear our clothes and in adds that sense of being covered or dressed in something. So we say, she arrived in a beautiful red dress. He was in a casual t-shirt and jeans. They are all in uniforms for the game. She prefers to work in comfortable shoes. He showed up in a stylish jacket. Next of. In for transportation. Traveling inside something like cars, trains, or planes. You guessed it, in captures that sense of being enclosed. Examples for this be like, she traveled in a taxi to the airport. We went in a bus to the concert. He commutes to work in a train every day. They flew in a private jet for their vacation. She arrived in a minivan full of friends. And that's it. We discussed about the main uses of the preposition in. Moving on. We have on. On has various uses too. Let's explore. On is when something is resting on a surface. For example, keys are on the kitchen counter. She placed her phone on the table. Cat is sleeping on the sofa. There's a picture on the wall. He left his shoes on the front porch. We use it for specific days or dates. Examples for dates would be like, on October 15th, on January 1st, on March 3rd, and for days we say, on Saturday, on Wednesdays, on Sundays. On directs us toward a subject, shows what someone is focusing on or discussing. Let's have a look. She gave a presentation on climate change. Professor lectured on world history. He's reading a book on philosophy. The movie is based on a true story. On gives you that feeling of riding something or being part of the journey as if you're moving with it. Unlike in, which feels enclosed. On feels like you're engaged and moving through the experience. He's on the train heading to the city. She's on the bus, excited to reach her destination. We went on a boat ride yesterday. They traveled on a plane to Europe. I love riding on my bike through the park. We use on for technologies. For example, on the phone, on her laptop, on the internet, on Zoom, on social media. On can also describe when something is relying on something else. It's like saying, this situation depends on that. Project success is on everyone's participation. We're waiting on the weather to clear before heading out. Company is dependent on their yearly profits. Her recovery is on the strength of her treatment plan. The outcome is on how hard we work. And that's it. We discussed about the main 6 uses of the preposition on. Good job. At last. We have at. At pinpoints exact spots. You're right there at a very specific point in space. Precise, leaving no room for wandering. For example, he's waiting at the bus stop. Kids are playing at the park. We'll meet at the restaurant. She left her bag at home. I'm studying at the library. At is about precision when it comes to time. It's like pointing to the exact second on the clock. For example, at 10 a.m., at 6:30 a.m., at 10:15 a.m., and so on. At sharpens focus, pointing towards something with intention. It's not just a general aim, it's a direct hit on where that focus goes. For example, she aimed the arrow at the target. He shouted at the top of his lungs. The dog barked at the stranger. They pointed at the map. Teacher looked at the students. At places us right in the middle of an event. It's where the action happens. For example, we had a blast at the concert. She spoke at the conference. He performed at the talent show. They had fun at the festival. I met her at the networking event. When someone is good at something, at highlights their skill, showing just how sharp or talented they are. For example, she excels at solving problems. He's skilled at painting. They are talented at writing poetry. I'm not good at cooking. She's amazing at playing chess. We have successfully completed the 5 main usages of at. And finally, the quiz time. She is sitting blank the chair. The answer is in. 'Cause in is used because it indicates that the person is enclosed or surrounded by the chair. The meeting is scheduled blank 10 a.m. The answer is at. As at is used for specific times, indicating that the meeting starts at that exact hour. He is interested blank learning new languages. The answer is in. In shows involvement or interest in a subject or activity. Cat is lying blank the sofa. The answer is on. On indicates that the cat is resting on the surface of the sofa. I saw her blank the party last night. The answer is at. At is used to indicate attendance or participation in an event. He threw the ball blank the window. The answer is at. At indicates direction towards a target or point, in this case the window. They went blank a vacation last summer. On is used to describe being engaged in an activity such as going on vacation. I'll meet you blank the coffee shop. The answer is at. As at pinpoints the spot where you'll connect, ready for conversation. That's a wrap. See you next time.